Every great fry begins in the soil, long before it ever reaches a kitchen. Machines gently lift each potato from the earth, ready for its journey. Trucks carry the harvest straight from the fields to the processing plant.
At the plant, the potatoes begin their transformation into golden fries.
Powerful water jets wash away every trace of soil.
Skins are gently peeled away, revealing the clean potato beneath.
Smart sensors check every potato for quality before the next step. In an instant, each potato is cut into the familiar fry shape. A hot water blanch prepares the fries for cooking and locks in color. Warm air gently dries the fries before they meet the hot oil. The fries take their first plunge into hot oil, turning golden at the edges. Every fry cooks evenly, moving steadily through the golden oil. Freshly fried and golden, the strips drain before their next stage. A deep freeze locks in flavor and prepares the fries for the long journey ahead. Each fry now holds its shape for final inspection. High-tech scanners make sure only the best fries move forward. Precise machines measure bag to the exact same weight. Each bag is sealed tight, locking in freshness for the journey ahead. Robotic arms carefully stack each bag, ready for shipping. Every pallet is wrapped tight, ready to travel across the country. Refrigerated trucks carry the frozen fries out into the world. From factory to restaurant, the journey is almost complete. A final fry in hot oil brings out that perfect golden crunch. From farm to fryer, every fry tells the story of quality and craftsmanship.